Hi guys, so this is Marcia Sanchez. I am the assistant to the chair of the Interactive Arts and Media Department and the current communications chair for the union. And I am just going to currently do a tutorial on how to figure out the calculation for RetroPay. I know this can be a little bit confusing, so this is the reason why I decided to do the tutorial. So I'm going to help you guys figure out the best way in order for you guys to figure out the RetroPay. And also, I edited this document with some feedback from some of the members in regards to just some confusion. And so, yeah, so let's start. So as you guys can see, the changes that I made, of course, I color-coded what this document looks like now in regards to like matching numbers. And also I took away something that was quite confusing, and it was a number that's right here. So the members are receiving 4 checks, and if you guys scroll down, these are the 4 checks that you guys are going to be receiving. You're going to have your $500 bonus pay, your 2%, your extra 2% on top of the original, and then your normal salary check. I just wanted you guys to know that the amounts are not the amounts that are on this sheet don't have taxes. So in order for you guys to figure out what was taken out, I need you guys to look at your self-service and paychecks because that's where it's best reflected. So I'm just gonna put an example number on here. So let's just pretend that this member makes this amount of money. And so this is the original amount of salary that this member had. And this is plus the 2% from this original number. And then this number is on top of this 44,574 number. And so if you guys go all the way to the right, I know some members haven't been here for the period of months that are on here, so I need you guys to put the number of months in between February and September 1st that you started working, and the same goes for this date right here. So there's going to be 4 numbers, well I guess for right now 3 numbers that we're going to be looking at. So the 509.83, of course, like I said earlier, is not including taxes. This is the first paycheck, and this is what the second paycheck would look like. And if you go down, if any of our members had overtime, this is where you would fill that out. So I'm going to bring out, again, like go on self-service and make sure that these numbers are correct. So again, I'm using this as an example as 43,700 as the original salary that this member makes. So for the first check, of course, all of you guys are going to be receiving $500 no matter what. So let's go to the first check. And so for this first check, the gross earning is $500. And after taxes, it's $182. And so we're going to go on to back to this Excel sheet, and we're not going to see that amount on here because this isn't this amount isn't currently on the sheet. So as many of you guys are asking about the percentages of taxes, it depends on what bracket you lie between for taxes. So an example would be if this $500 ups you towards a different bracketing system, then your taxes would be different than everyone else. So for this member, this $500 came out to $182. And so if you go into your checking account, you would see that everyone should have received at least $500 for their bonus pay. Okay, so that's going down. Okay, so the second check we're going to look at is of 2%, and so for this member, the 2% came out to a total of $509.83. So if we go into self-service, you should find this, and so again, this person had it 509.83, and it totaled to $185.58 with taxes. So that means that this person currently did get the 2% that was on this Excel sheet. And so the second check that we're going to look at is, or the third check we're going to look at is, I guess, the extra 2%. And so this percent, this current amount is going to come out to $222.87. And so if we look for this check, $222.87, and the total came out to be, with taxes, $81.14. So this person currently received all of the checks they were receiving, and also they received their normal salary check.